this Sunday afternoon. Happy to see so many kids enjoying the French fries. Hi to all of you. So we had a lovely talk by Dr. Vinay. I hope all of your questions have been answered with regards to glasses. And it was, interesting what sir was saying about children being in the same room. Sometimes when we tell them that आपके बच्चे को चश्मा है, and varied reactions we get from parents. So I personally like to tell all the children that this from today is your superpower. Okay, every superhero has one superpower. किसी के पास केप है, किसी के पास स्वॉर्ड है, तो ये आपका सुपर पावर है. Because you don't know how your words will impact the child, how even your facial expressions. घर जाते हैं, दादी नानी, अरे इसको चश्मा लग गया, वो उसका सुपर पावर है. You instill that in the child. In fact, we have gone as far as had a little party, with the child who got chashma for the first time, where all the friends had a play date ki अरे वाह, see, he has a new superpower. So it's just a matter of attitude. And अगर आप अच्छा ये नहीं खाना, इससे चश्मा लग गया, like sir was saying, make it lighter for them, because you see we are their confidence. जो मम्मी पापा बोल रहे हैं, जो उनके फेस पे आ रहा है, they'll also start thinking, oh, what did we do wrong? Like sir said, na, it is not your mistake, it is nobody's mistake. So it's something to be happy about, it's something to celebrate, I would say, in most of the cases. So I'll be talking, I'm also a retina surgeon like sir. He's been one of our illustrious seniors from Delhi, and not just as a retina person, but also in his ethics, the practice that he has set up. I'm happy to be part of it. I also am a consultant for the Army at the Army College of Medical Sciences, and in addition, I'm also a mom blogger. So I have twins, and I have myself faced this problem, rather this pandemic of screens, I would say. Like we had COVID, we also have screens we have to deal with every day. How to integrate it in our life without us feeling guilty, and without it being a bone of contention. हमेशा हम बच्चे को डांट रहे हैं, या हम खुद फील कर रहे हैं कि ओहो मेरा बच्चा तो बहुत स्क्रीन देखता है. So I hope at least one or two positive messages I can give to you to take home today. So I'm sorry to start on a negative note, but this is just a reminder that screens are not only harmful for the eyes when used excessively, but it's much wider, I would say. So your physical health, usme bhi there's just one part, which is the eye. Apart from that, it is being sedentary, aap baithe hue ho, you're not moving around. And please let me add, this is not just for children, this is for us too. ठीक है, it is for all of us. The more we sit with our phones, the less we move. And like sir said, आपका जो timing है, how many of us see the phones before going to sleep, immediately before going to sleep? So अब देखो, अब हम कैसे बच्चों को बोलें कि switch it off 2 hours before bedtime? Yeah. So dry eye headache, tech neck or text neck, this is a new term where सारा time ऐसे देखने की वजह से आपको neck problems भी आ जाते हैं. ठीक है. Then coming to children, especially cognitive development, I'm sure everybody has heard of virtual autism, which is where because of very much exposure to screens early in age, बच्चा late बोलता है या बोलता ही नहीं है अपने पेरेंट्स से. अटेंशन लर्निंग इश्यूज, आपने देखे होंगे वीडियोस इंस्टाग्राम पे कि 6 साल के बच्चे से फोन ले लिया एंड दे स्टार्ट हिटिंग और थ्रोइंग थिंग्स कि गिव माय फोन बैक. Of course, reduced performance in all spheres of life, cognitive decline, and then like we were just talking, बात नहीं करते, और हम भी नहीं करते, बच्चे भी नहीं बात करते, एक दूसरे से नहीं करते, मम्मी पापा से नहीं करते, they just want to be with the device. Reduced emotional regulation, outbursts of anger, somewhat tantrums. They want what they want when they want. It is because of the dopamine hit that these videos are giving to them. You see, there is a proper chemical basis for it, and then they want it in their normal life also. Behavioral problems and mental health concerns. So basically, too much screen time is not good. Now, what is too much? Is there any guideline for that? So India में अभी नहीं है, लेकिन American Academy of Pediatrics ने ये guidelines दी हैं. These are in accordance with WHO as well. WHO और आप में थोड़ा सा difference है that WHO says up to 2 years no screens, but app has made it 18 months or younger. Okay, so 18 months से छोटे बच्चे को there is no reason to give a screen except let's say you have family living abroad, नाना नानी हैं, दादा दादी हैं, दूसरे सिटी में हैं, आपको वीडियो कॉल करना है. That is the only reason, which will be few seconds once every few days. इसके अलावा there is no reason to give a child less than 2 years a screen. ऐसा वो स्क्रीन से कुछ नहीं सीखेगा जो वो आपके इंटरैक्शन से या सिर्फ अपने घर के लोगों से बात करने से नहीं सीख पाएगा. तो दिस इज अ कॉमन क्वेश्चन वे पीपल थिंक कि एजुकेशनल कंटेंट मिल रहा है या इंग्लिश अच्छी बोलेगा अगर इंग्लिश के वीडियोस देख रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है. द हार्म इज मच मोर देन एनी प्रिज्यूम्ड बेनिफिट. सो आई वुड स्टिक विद WHO एंड से लेस देन 2 years no screen at all except momentary video calls. Next हमारा आता है 2 to 5 years and this is actually the most difficult age and I have experienced it double at the same time because of twins. So this is really difficult and every day ऐसी situation आएगी जहाँ हमें लगेगा कि अच्छा ठीक है थोड़ा सा टाइम ही तो है, अच्छा ठीक है बस 2-3 बाइट्स ही तो और खानी है रोटी की, थोड़ा सा ही तो टीवी हमने चलाया है. But we need to ourselves understand and set a boundary and only then we will be able to. See, बच्चा जो है उसको नहीं पता स्क्रीन क्या है. अगर वो मांग रहा है कहीं उसको हमने ही दिया है for our convenience or for whatever reason. Children don't know what a screen is. They don't know how to unlock your phone. So कहीं हम ही ने उन्हें वो दिया है which has now gone out of hand. So the earlier you start, or I would say the earlier you realize it, the better it is. The recommendation is 1 hour a day, but in my opinion this is excessive. So if अगर मैं अपना खुद का example दूं, till my children were 5 years, I was giving them half an hour of screen time on alternate days, and that also many times during the school week I would not give, only on weekend I would give it. So it is our own mindset and there are ways in which we can achieve this, which we are going to talk about. And 6 or older, again, an hour a day maximum. And यहाँ पे हमारा जो social media वाला aspect है, that also comes into play, which we'll be talking about. So realistic parenting. See, no screens is not an option. हमारे लिए भी नहीं है और बच्चों के लिए भी नहीं है. So we have to find a balance which works for us and which works for them. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि 2 से बड़े बच्चे को भी आप बिल्कुल 0 स्क्रीन टाइम रखें. You will not be able to keep up with it. जैसे 0 junk भी है in food, right? We can't do it no matter how much we want. So we have to have the realization उसका harmful effect क्या है and हमें एक अपने लिए बनाना है. अच्छा ठीक है हफ्ते में एक दिन में मैं आइसक्रीम दे दूंगी. Because बच्चे वही फॉलो करेंगे जो हम करते हैं till maybe they are 7 or 8 years and then the peer interaction starts. Now I would like to ask all of you, ये 4 फोटोज हैं and which one do you think is better or which one is worse? Okay. Okay. So I'm happy we know this. These are children on a mobile. This is on an iPad, this is on a laptop, and this is on a television. So the rule is the bigger the screen, the better it is. ठीक है? The bigger the better. Distance के बारे में sir has already talked about. Mobile phone में if you will see, वो बच्चा will not even look around. वो बिल्कुल अंदर ही concentrated रहेगा. Which is also same for iPad. They forget there is a world around them. कोई कुत्ता बिल्ली आएगा कुछ उसको पता नहीं चलेगा. Then all those problems start. They don't blink, they don't look around. टीवी में ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, they will never be able to टीवी आप देख भी रहे बच्चा कोई यहाँ से आवाज लगाएगा वो उधर देखेगा. But you notice with the mobile they will not look up because it just completely takes all their attention, the focus, and in addition to the eye problems, all the cognitive problems are also more the smaller the screen. Okay, so whenever you have a choice, in fact even jab kids have online classes, due to pollution or any random reason, it is better you connect your laptop to a larger screen like a TV with maybe a HDMI or something. It becomes less stressful for the children. So which screen to use may, the bigger the better, that is the rule. There is no reason to give a phone to a child ever. There is no reason. Keep your phone password protected and do not tell the password to the child. If he can already operate your phone, change the password. If they cannot, then well and good. It is a personal device, you can say that. And in the end, we will brainstorm tricks to tell them, and I will tell you what I use with my kids. So next we come to when. What is the time? Rather, I will say ulta. What is the time when screen should not be given at all? One is during meal times. Okay? And second, like sir said, is the recommendation are 2 hours before bedtime. तो अगर बच्चा 8 बजे सो रहा है, not after 6 o'clock, not even for a minute, they should get the screen, because it will cause sleep disturbances, and that will affect the immunity of the child, the attention span of the child, much more far reaching effects than we understand. Sleep is not just sleep for children, it is the time when they grow. It is the time when the neural connections form, when the immunity builds up. Sleep is top priority. How many of us have had problems or are still having problems with screens and meals? Okay, me myself, yes. I keep the phone on when I'm eating, but even with our children. Okay. We have all had it at some point of time. मेरे पास 2 थे, मुझे लगता था मैं इसे खिला रही हूँ, ये नीचे गिरा रहा है, वो थूक रहा है, इसको दे दूँ, कुछ कर दूँ. I have been there. It is not as if as a doctor or as a parent I have not been there. But I very quickly realized what are the problems. And these are the 2 main problems. You see, what happens is, like I was just mentioning, there was a video कि बच्चा स्क्रीन देख रहा है and आप उसके मुंह पे नींबू डाल दिया, आपने 1 चम्मच नींबू उसे पिलाया and उसने ऐसे किया but उसने खा लिया, because they are so engrossed in the screen that they cannot taste the food. They don't know if they are hungry or they are full. They will just open the mouth and you put in anything, they will eat. And unfortunately, not just parents, even relatives, grandparents, everybody feels chalo isne 2 roti kha li. But वो 2 roti is really harmful in the long run, because उनको there is no healthy relationship with food developing. ठीक है, आप nutritional imbalance and impact on digestion, because the child doesn't know the taste of the food, the smell of the food. When we eat food, all this is a process which starts, and if that doesn't start, digestion में problem होती है. There will be constipation, there may be nutritional issues, and like I was talking about the food pocketing. आप कभी देखो वो यहाँ पे बाइट बना के रखेंगे और वो बाइट 10 मिनट तक रहेगी और आप बोलते रहोगे चबाओ चबाओ. So I used to tell my son, gola mat banao. But I realized it's not his fault. His brain is engrossed in the screen. So how is he going to remember to chew? Children even forget to chew. And the last bite, many times we give the last bite and go off. And that last bite stays in that food pocket for so long that it can even cause cavities and dental caries. So screens and meals is a big no. Now that we have understood that, how do we deal with it? This is a common problem, and I've actually seen in restaurants when I travel that बच्चा खा नहीं रहा, तो parents quickly give the phone. अच्छा ठीक है इसे दिखा दो, या the mother will tell the father लाओ phone लाओ जल्दी से इसे खिला दे, and they feel happy. उसने 2 चम्मच दाल खा ली. It is a trap. We must not fall into it. If we have fallen into it, then these are the things you can do. Ekdam se you cannot go cold turkey. The child will resist. They'll become aggressive. They will not comply. So start with 1 meal at a time. Okay, ठीक है, आज हम lunch में नहीं करेंगे या आज हम breakfast में नहीं करेंगे. उसमें भी it is a addiction. You see, when we have addiction for smoking, alcohol, how do we remove it? It's literally an addiction. So start gradually in small steps. Talk to the child. It is not you versus them. It is you and them versus the screen. Okay? So tell them, look, we have to stop. This was the strategy that worked for me. And ये आपको कहीं मिलेगी नहीं. I gave the screen time before the meal. I said, तुम देख लो TV. when you are done फिर हम खाना खाएंगे, ठीक है ना, rather than the other way round. Don't say कि तुम खाना खाओगे तो स्क्रीन मिलेगा. That puts it up on a pedestal as a reward and doesn't work well psychologically. Okay, so this was, and it worked. I said, you see it before, they would see it for 5-10 minutes, and at least we will be screen free during the time. Another thing you can do is switch to audio, like put on the song, फोन को उल्टा रख दो कि अब अच्छा, अब हमने देख लिया, अब हम सिर्फ सुनेंगे, साथ में गाएंगे, और do story telling. You have to do the मेहनत, you have to do the hard work at some point of time or the other. Okay, then make meal times more enjoyable. This actually is just a little corollary I'm giving. Talk to them, you know, I used to call this food talks, like talk about the color of food. Okay, talk about किसमें क्या है, आज इसमें हमारा प्रोटीन है, आज आपने कुछ पर्पल कलर का खाया या नहीं खाया, ये वाला खाना सॉइल के ऊपर उगता है या नीचे उगता है, you know, things like that. So these are food talks. These make the children involved in the food rather than, you know, treating it like अब हमें खाना finish करना है फिर हम टीवी देखेंगे. So these are just some strategies, and model eat together as a family without the screens. Now I come to the last part or the actual part, which is what to watch on screen. अब मुझे यहाँ सब बच्चे बताएंगे कि वो टीवी पे क्या देखते हैं. आप क्या देखते हो, क्या अच्छा लगता है देखना? मैं आइडियाज ले रही हूँ. हाँ क्या अच्छा लगता है? अच्छा, पेपा पिग कितने लोग देखते हैं? Oh, I also love. I heard Peppa Pig has had a brother or a sister. हाँ, what has she had? एक जॉर्ज तो था ही, एक कोई और भी हुआ है. हाँ. This is, see, we have to be updated with the news. So Mummy Pig has brother हुआ है ना. Mummy Pig has had a new kid also. It came on BBC. It actually came on BBC, the snippet. अच्छा, क्या देखते हो? बेन एंड होली. Oh, I love Ben and Holly. Okay. What else? आप क्या देखते हो? हाँ? Vlogs? Vlogs. Okay. हाँ, what do you see, beta? I love Dr. Binox. There's a picture of Dr. Binox also coming. Okay. And what do you see? YouTube you see. Okay. And आप पेपा पिग के अलावा क्या देखते हो? हाँ हाँ हाँ. What do you see? You see what? What?
It's a Korean
Acha, oh nice. I'll check it out today. I'm not updated. My kids might like it also. Acha, it's a secret. It's a secret. No, that's okay. Okay, so I think, Bluey also. I love Bluey also. Okay, so I think which app has also said, which was written on the fine print, that the content is very important. So first I'll tell you what not to watch, which maybe many of you know. Who all know what this is? किस किस को पता है? Cocomelon. So not so much for older children, but it's ये वो जो उसका music है, it still rings in my ears. And there was a video of, you know, a child, 2-year-old, just running and dropping everything on the way when they heard the music. It was like जैसे वो Pavlov के experiments थे ना, because they know that it has started. Now this research has shown that is harmful for kids. Why? Because you see, it is high contrast. They have a very fast paced change of screen. It is overstimulating is what is the term. ठीक है, these kind of overstimulate, आप देखना ये वाले देखने के बाद बच्चा जरूर रोएगा, ठीक है ना. हमें लगता है स्क्रीन ले लिया इसलिए रो रहा है. नो, it is they are overstimulating. So these are the things we should avoid. Ben and Holly and Bluey, these are under-stimulating shows. If you see them, there is no loud music, no fast movement of the screen. Even the colors are a little blunted. They will not be that bright. So that is the difference. So this is, and it has crores of views, but not something which research recommends. What is this? For older children, ये क्या है? Unboxing videos, and they are viral. I mean, I am amazed at kid influencers, unboxing videos. यहाँ पे सब बच्चे छोटे हैं, but around 8-9 years, We have to protect them from these. So these are basically videos where children get toys and they will show you कि ये toy है and I really like it, and they are so addictive to children, and they do nothing good except maybe increase greed or materialistic tendencies, and they are widely addictive. Then this we can all logically understand shows which go into body shaming or which might be labeling, and unfortunately even reels and shorts, because you see there is this applies to us also. And imagine what is happening to a 8-year-old child जो बस YouTube shorts देखे जा रहा है या Instagram पे reels. Also, very importantly, these are not subject to your parental control. So YouTube shorts में there is no parental control. Anything will come. Same for Instagram reels. So these are a big no. अभी बच्चे ये नहीं देख रहे हैं, बट ये किसी अपने फ्रेंड के फोन पे देखेंगे, and we have to be ready with a story or a reason why it is harmful for them. So what I tell my children is the truth. It is unfiltered. You might see something which can scare you. You can see something scary, you can see something violent, and that will disturb you at night. So please don't. This is what I tell them, and they agree with me. कि आप सिर्फ कुछ ऐसा नहीं देखो जिसमें किसी को लग रही है या कोई किसी बेबी को हार्म कर रहा है, और ये सब इसमें आ सकता है. We can't stop it. So that works for me. Make your own reason and have the talk before they see it. So as I said, I'm also an influencer, so as to say, and I talk about this a lot on my page because people also believe me, since I'm also a doctor. So I use that opportunity to do this sort of, and this is just a video that I had made some time back. These are my kids, by the way, and of what we watch, to just give you some ideas. So, read alouds of our favorite books. Animated versions of books like Julia Donaldson, everybody reads. Then other books like this is Thomas and Friends. It's a British series. Bluey, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is a great show. Can I just stop it here? Okay. So, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is a show which actually embodies good behavior, not just by the children, by the parents also. And it's one of the recommended shows. Books, like I said, so we all want our kids to read, right? So, showing them read aloud of books is a good way to pass time. Then a lot of books have been made into cartoons, which are again less stimulating, and I show them usually. Then after that we read the book, or side by side we read the book. So it becomes a whole engaging activity, you see. Then I don't know if you saw before this, real pictures of wildlife sanctuaries, or maybe Antarctic explorations under the sea. Real pictures, not animated. And sit with them and look at them, and kids really marvel at them. But if they have seen Cocomelon before, they will not find it interesting. But आप शुरू से ही उन्हें ये दिखाओ कि see what is under the sea, see what is in the snow. Then musical concerts, you see, of real instruments rather than just the 5-6 notes which are in your cartoons. If they are into sports, then you can show them games. All this is screen time, which is going to be beneficial, or at least it is not harmful. Who likes Dr. Binocs? So you watch Octonauts. Have you watched Octonauts? Octonauts. Yeah. So these are some of the ones which my kids are currently watching. They are around 7. So these are fictional shows, but then they teach something: science, geography, history. Ada Twist is actually, it's based loosely on Obama's kids. His daughter who, yeah, this one, Ada Twist, who is just inquiring about the world, and they are doing simple experiments at home. Then Magic School Bus is a lovely program where a teacher, and she takes a class in a bus, and that bus transforms magically. It goes into space or it goes underwater. So they are thrilling for children. At the same time, they are educational, and they are not harmful, and they all come with books. Ada Twist has books, Magic School Bus has, Octonauts also has. Dr. Binocs is actually a Rajshri production, and it's shown in schools also. It's shown in our school also. So these are some ideas where you can, watch some of this during your screen time. So, yeah, sure.
for these shows?
So that comes to our screen time recommendation, which is maximum of 1 hour a day. Most of these shows are about half an hour in duration. So you can decide whether you want to show one or two. You can discuss.
Movie is about 7
Bluey and Peppa and all these are shorter ones. But these ones which are showed for older kids, they are about half an hour each because they have an entire story to them. Yeah. So, as we said, screen is not a babysitter. Watch together, engage, interact with each other, talk about it. Don't allow kids to unlock devices and do not allow them to even touch the remote. So you put it and put the remote away. For the simple reason, they can press something and see something which you don't want to see. Like you can see a scary monster if by mistake you press some other channel, right? And you won't be able to forget about it. So let the parents put and you watch. And if you want to change something, the volume, or you want to play something again, tell your mama, papa, they will do it. No screens as a bribe or as a reward. And this is again my sort of thinking. You won't find it anywhere, and it's in very fine print in the AARP recommendation. So the screen time of 1 hour per day is when you do 1 hour of outdoor play. So अगर आप, इसका मतलब है it is the equal amount as your outdoor play. अगर आपका बच्चा बाहर सिर्फ आधा घंटा खेल रहा है क्योंकि बारिश है या गर्मी बहुत है, तो आपका recommended screen time is not 1 hour, it is half an hour only. It is the same time as you do in outdoor play. AARP has also defined what is outdoor play, because you see ये जो myopia which we are talking about, it's an epidemic in China and Southeast Asia. That's why in our place also the Bengali sector has it more. वहाँ पे there are so many buildings that the child cannot see the horizon if he or she plays outside, so that they don't consider outdoor play. If it is a localized park जहाँ चारों तरफ building है, the recommendation is they should be able to see the horizon. Luckily Delhi NCR में इतनी problem नहीं है, we have parks and playgrounds, but 1 hour of outdoor play, then it is 1 hour of screen time. It is not 1 hour of screen time with zero outdoor play or half an hour of outdoor play. So that is what you can remember. And this is what I told my kids. So they said, अच्छा अगर हम 2 घंटे खेलेंगे फिर हम 2 घंटे टीवी देख सकते हैं. I said नहीं, वो लिमिट 1 hour तक ही वर्क करता है. That's how smart they are. So for older kids, I would say, because our kids are going to get older, see, kids safe search is a myth. Even on YouTube Kids, there are videos where, you know, there is some underhand violence or bad language, or so you cannot leave a child with the device alone. I'm sure all of us have seen the series Adolescence. Have you seen?
Yes.
And it's scary when you see it, but then you know that you are going to be in the same boat in a few years. And I had done a post on it on my page also, because a lot of parents message me very worried कि कैसे रोके, screen तो है ही. So this is the way, you know, keep up the connection with the child. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो अकेले फोन के साथ है, आपको नहीं पता वो अपने रूम में क्या कर रहे हैं. Social media, have a limit. You know, this is individual. Like Steve Jobs himself said that the day you hand your child a phone, their childhood is over. He himself said this on record. So it is your decision. Talk to the other classmates, parents, you know, reach a consensus. Like in our class, we have decided, okay, till class 6, no phone, and then we'll talk again. Because even if one child gets it, you know, your control has gone. So like there was this saying, your child is only as safe as the child with the loosest social media rules. अगर उसके ग्रुप में कोई भी एक बच्चा है जो फेसबुक पे है, इंस्टाग्राम पे है, then you are losing out. So, you know, work at it as a team. And then somebody had mentioned that children go to places alone, to classes and all, so they may need a mobile. So you can use a smart watch instead, where you can track the child, and the child can also use it for calling. There are a lot of brands available. I believe a lot of parents are using them also. It's a much safer option than a mobile phone. So just to summarize, these are some of the guilt-free strategies. We are all busy parents. We are all, but still we want to tackle this devil of the screen. So choose high quality, appropriate content. Make it interactive. Talk about it all the time. Set clear limits. So like summer vacations, I understand, you know, they are at home all the time, or any vacations for that matter. So what I do with my children is we make a schedule. ओके, एंड वी राइट सम थिंग्स कि हमने इंग्लिश रीडिंग करनी है, हमने हिंदी रीडिंग भी करनी है, कुछ कुछ मैथ्स करना है, एंड आई एड स्क्रीन टाइम टू दैट लिस्ट बिकॉज आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट दैट बैड अ थिंग. We just say that okay, like we are doing other activities, we do this also. Then I ask them, okay, you tell me which days you want to watch TV, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Okay, give them a closed ended question and work with them and make a schedule. ठीक है कि हम 3 से 3:30 बजे इन 4 दिन टीवी देखेंगे, या हम स्विमिंग से जब वापस आएंगे तब हम इतनी देर टीवी देखेंगे. तो आप पहले से वो बाउंड्री सेट करो rather than the child just comes to you, mama मैं टीवी देख लूं. One day you say yes, one day you say no. Be consistent. So the child is also confused कि भाई ये रूल क्या है, ये तो मम्मा के मूड पे डिपेंडेंट है. Okay, so instead sit and decide with the child, work on a compromise that works for both, and then stick to it. Lead by example and encourage alternate activities. देखो, like I always say, you have to make real life more interesting than real life, है ना? नहीं तो वो फोन में ही जाएगा अगर आपके साथ बोर हो रहा है तो. So it takes effort. We have to play with them, maybe invest in some kits or take them out somewhere. लेकिन हाँ, you have to do the मेहनत to make it more interesting for them. So that's all I have today, and this is my page where I share some activities and more such things. You can have a look at it, and any questions we can.
So my question is that I know we are busy working parents, and substantial part of the day we are at work, and they are in school half the day. They come back to the house help for the grandparents. How do we apply this for the rest of the day? Because we are coming back in the evenings, right? We can really follow a few things.
Yeah.
You know what you explained, obviously from your own experience, for that duration of the day. But how should we do it as both parents if we are working parents?
So discuss it with the child. So what I do is, like my kids also right now they are at Nani house. So it's very clear, या तो टीवी नानी के हाउस देखेंगे या अपने हाउस देखेंगे, दोनों जगह नहीं देखेंगे. And नानी दादी are in sync with you. Let them. In fact, it is more difficult for grandparents to engage the children when we are not there. So let them have their TV time. But tell them, I'm sure they will understand कि इसने ये देखना है, इतने से इतने बजे देखना है, आप रिमोट पकड़ के रखना. And when you are back, ask them, did you enjoy your TV time today? Chalo, good. Boundaries beforehand you set them and talk to the child. Is this okay for you? है ना? You want to watch it here or there? Something like that. Okay, you want to watch that there. Netflix वहाँ पे देखना है. So I find actually Netflix Kids the most safe because it is ad free. There's no danger of going anywhere else. And yeah, YouTube I personally find very dangerous. Of course, Reels is a big no. YouTube, please take the ad-free version if the children are watching, and child control के साथ भी make sure they don't go to the shorts and all. Apple TV has some very nice shows for children like Owl Diaries and all, lot of adaptations of books. Even Prime Kids has. So I think OTT is a little better than these, YouTube and Instagram platforms. Yeah, TikTok तो है ही नहीं इंडिया में, so.
So there is no risk of Blu-ray messing up with the circadian rhythm when they're watching TV.
No, it is the same. It is the same.
So night should be over.
So 2 hours before bedtime, no television. 2 hours before bedtime. Yeah. So in fact, about the blue glasses, it's a false security. I've seen parents say कि हमने इसे चश्मा पहना दिया है, अब कोई problem नहीं है. Whereas it does nothing actually, like sir said. So.
We have Dr. Asim also with us. He's a physician. So if there's some questions you have from any one of us, and I think can we send some of the screenshots of the advice thing to them?
हाँ, sure. I think.
With your permission, I'll send it.
हाँ, of course. The whole PPT, in fact, it's
Which
the points.
to watch.
Yeah.
It's
So most of them are on my page, but if you're not on Instagram, you can take screenshots also. So, okay, thank you all for being such a lovely audience. Thank you.